What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the overall market, specifically the Fed meeting. We will also be covering the SoFi stock. They announced a massive partnership with Galileo and Mastercard. I'm going to be giving you guys the details in this video. All I need you to do for me is three things. Number one, be sure to smash the like button. Let's try and get this video up to 1,500 likes, and be sure to drop a comment. I'm going to be commenting back to as many people as I possibly can. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you are not already subscribed. And because today was such an amazing day for SoFi, finally getting a nice bounce heading into our earnings, I'm going to take this shot of Jim Beam for a little bit of celebration. Woo! Let's get into the video. All right, guys, check this out. The S&P 500 finished up almost 3%, Dow almost 3%, NASDAQ almost 3%, Russell 2.7%, and crude oil up 5%. Everything was absolutely accelerating. The details is in that Fed meeting of why the stock market is rallying. Everything went smooth as planned. We got the 50-point base rate hike. They were also questioning how about the 75-point base rate hike, and he declined it. He said, we are not considering 75-point base rate hike right now. So that's why the market really ripped into the end of the day, because they were asking questions. So it looks like they're just going to continue to go 50, 50, 50 until they get that inflation under control. And as you can see, the stock market really liked that. Powell also commented that there could be a potential peak in inflation. They still said inflation is absolutely insanely high, but we may be heading down a smidge on this next CPI report. As we can see, SoFi today ripped up 11.5%. I don't know if it went up 12%. I'll have to double check, but we're down slightly in the after hours. So a lot of the gains are holding up solid, and that's because we announced an amazing deal. And I believe the market cap on SoFi is still right around $6 billion. The outstanding shares is not updated on Yahoo Finance yet. But guys, we have so much room to run. It's absolutely insane. This stock is literally being priced near, book value. And if you've been watching my YouTube videos, book value is right around $5, okay? That's pricing in what the company's just worth in equity. That's no growth. That's not showing any market potential or anything. So check this out. Galileo and Mastercard accelerating digital transformation in Latin America and the Caribbean. So guys, this is huge because Latin America is one of the fastest growing fintech markets there possibly is. I'm going to give you the full details. Let's scroll down a little bit. Galileo Technologies and Mastercard on Wednesday today unveiled a multi-year strategic alliance focused on accelerating digital transformation and improving access to financial opportunities for unbanked and underserved segments in Latin America and the Caribbean. The partnership between Galileo and Mastercard will enable Latin America fintechs and issuers to build and launch digital financial services using their combined capabilities and infrastructure. According to a press release, the companies will distribute various Mastercard products and services to support their customers, the press release says. Galileo is now a preferred technology partner and fast issuer processor within the Mastercard partner network, Mastercard Engage, in Latin America and the Caribbean. Internet and smartphone penetration across Latin America has reached nearly 70% and continue to grow, per the press release. So guys, this is absolutely huge. Just take a look at the global ranking on, American companies by market cap. We have about, 3,000 companies listed here. If we just scroll down a little bit, Mastercard is the 15th largest company in America. This is a $375 billion market cap company. They are willing to partner up with SoFi, a SPAC stock. I'm telling you, SoFi is the real deal, and they knew that Galileo was going to be a huge hit, and that's why we purchased Galileo over 2 years ago, okay? So everything that, Galileo gets, Galileo is SoFi. SoFi owns Galileo. This is going to be a massive, massive, revenue boost in the future. And I'm going to show you guys the details of how much potential this Latin America really is. Fintech's hottest market, Latin America, guys. Scroll down a little bit. Latin America is the hottest fintech market in the world. Here is why. LATAM's demographics and its lack of established advanced financial services are a huge opportunity. According to the World Bank, LATAM has a financial service market of $1 trillion a year and an estimated 135 million people in Brazil, Colombia, and Mexico alone were unbanked in 2017. Now, listen to this real quick, okay? Brazil, Colombia, Mexico. Remember that. Galileo accelerates expansion and opens Latin America headquarters and innovation center in Mexico. This was over, let's see the time frame. This was over a year ago, okay? They went right after one of the largest markets, Mexico. Number 2, Galileo accelerates Latin America growth with expansion into Colombia, guys. SoFi's recent Technisys acquisition cements strategic commitment to Latin America as the definitive standard for vertically integrated financial technology platform. So boom, guys, you got Mexico, you got Colombia. So you guys can see SoFi is going after the fastest growing markets in Latin America, and Mastercard wants a piece of the pie too. That's why they're partnering up with innovation like Galileo that has over 100 million accounts, plus the Technisys accounts. I have to review how many accounts that is that SoFi now owns, guys. The stock is not reflecting what the company is doing. Once again, the NASDAQ is corrected 24%. SoFi is massively oversold and has showed continuous growth in multiple earnings. Our alliance with Mastercard reinforces our strategic commitment to provide innovative, world-class digital financial services and modernized payment solutions for consumers in Latin America, he said. Galileo has about 100 million end-user accounts. It serves customers who offer digital financial services ranging from debit, credit, and business-to-business B2B payments to remittance, oh, I don't know that word, sorry, buy now, pay later, cryptocurrencies, and other emerging payment methods, guys. This is absolutely huge, okay? Through the Mastercard developers portfolio, Mastercard is helping more than 2,000 fintech innovators in the region achieve scale, and the addition of Galileo as a preferred technology partner will help expand access to financial services to more people. Diego Diaz, Vice President of Fintech Enablers. When you think about this partnership, you need to be thinking about one thing, guys. Revenue. They're trying to grow as much revenue as possible. With that bank charter kicking in, we're going to be coming to profitability much faster than you think. I think we're going to see a profitable quarter in the next 6 months, potentially Q3, Q4. I'm very excited for the guidance. You're going to be getting the guidance from this partnership kicking in. You're also going to be getting the guidance from Technisys acquisition kicking in. Technisys 2021 revenue was about $70 million. You need to understand Technisys is growing at 20 to 30% growth year over year estimated for 2022. That's about $87 million. If you divide that by 4 quarters, you can expect Q2 to deliver $21 million in revenue, okay? So just add that on to whatever they're getting for their, Q1 earnings that are coming up, guys. We're going to get a 21 million boost. That's not even, including what SoFi's other, revenue streams are doing without Technisys. There's going to be a massive quarter for Q2. I can guarantee you that. I'm expecting, huge guidance raise, especially with this bank charter fully kicking in. And you can see here the Dow soars almost 900 points. Stocks rally after Fed fires off the biggest rate hike since 2000. The reason why we're rallying once again is because the market was already, prepared for a 50-point, base rate hike. We were ready. As long as we didn't get that 75-point base rate hike, we were going to rally, okay? I knew this was coming, guys, and I'm telling you right now, SoFi is going to be a huge winner in the future. We are not going backwards like Netflix. We are not going backwards like Bank of America. We're not going backwards like Amazon. We have perfect growth ahead of us. Year-over-year compound growth at 50% the next 5 years is what I'm aiming for, especially when we get student loans, firing back on all cylinders, guys. You need to remain patient and understand the market is why SoFi is down so dramatically, okay? We beat our last 6 months of earnings. Just take a look at SoFi's last 9 months of earnings, guys. We've literally had 2 double beats in a row. EPS beat, revenue beat, EPS beat, revenue beat. We missed EPS, because of, I believe financing Galileo, 9 months ago or something like that into the EPS. But guys, now that we're on track, we've been beating 6 months in a row. I expect a nice beat gonna happen for Q1. I'm expecting a massive guidance raise for Q2. So there's no reason for this company to be down this much. It's because that student loans drama and also the market correction with inflation, okay? This is an incredible company. They're making incredible deals. Galileo we own, Technisys we own. We're partnering with Mastercard, and what? We're at $7, a $6 billion market cap company trading at 4 times sales. This is absolutely ridiculous, okay? We should be at a minimum price target of what our average tip ranks is right now. Even with the multiple bearish price targets of these, legacy banks, $10, $10, $10, $10, we're still at a cumulative average of $14.40. You have 100% upside from these levels right here. Once again, I did not know the market was going to get this nasty with inflation. I would have waited, but guys, this stock has been on the market for, over a year. Nobody can time the market. The stock went as high as $28, okay? I bought, average in one account at 17. I bought an average at another account, $10. I just didn't know we were going to get such a nasty drop, after earnings, even on our double B, so I think we're going to be heading upwards into our next earnings report, and I believe the stock can definitely blow past $10 very easily on earnings. The market could be ending the correction if inflation does peak and starts heading down, and the Fed just lays down 50 point base rate hikes, okay? So everything's looking pretty solid right now. You need to remain patient and understand, we're going to get through this correction with the technology sector. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoy doing this video for you. As you can see, SoFi is making, massive money moves, to get this stock headed into the right direction by the end of the year. We are literally corrected, 21% on the NASDAQ still. There is massive upside if we can tame this inflation. I believe the Fed is doing exactly what they need to do, and I'm very bullish now that they said they're not recommending, these 75-point base rate hikes. As long as we go 50-50-50 once again, we could definitely moon if inflation starts peaking and we continue to show growth. Unlike some of these mega cap legacy FANG companies, okay? The newer innovation stocks are showing continuous growth and have been punished for no reason. Once again, my name is Kyle. Hope you have a great day.